Hey, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We just got done doing a gutter clean out and a roof cleaning here in Roscoe, Illinois. So a couple of things to consider. When you get home, you might see some white, dry, streaky spots on your shingles because of the sun. The solution was drying so fast. That's just salts. So the next hard rain is going to wash away all that, make your skylights look pretty. Everything's going to look really nice from here after the rain, but it may take up to 2 months for the moss to dry up and the hard rains to wash it off. But all that's killed off today and you're set to go. So hope you enjoy your nice country home. It's nice and beautiful, pretty. Now it's a little bit prettier with nothing growing on the roof. Got that all cleaned up there. My suggestion at this point is maybe get a different kind of gutter guard system. We do offer that service. I always suggest the raindrop gutter guard service. I'll be glad to send you a video if you have any questions. But once again, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. And if you have any questions, feel free to call or text us on our personal cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.